Hey, Chef Nicholson, I hope you're well. Now, this video is for anyone that wants to know about lead generation for beginners. So people that are looking to start their journey with internet marketing, this is the right video for you. Now, I'm going to assume something, if you're looking for a video like this, that you're a coach, a consultant, or a business owner, or someone that's looking to start a business, and this is the channel for you. So if you haven't already, you may have only come across this, might be your first video here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. I've got hundreds of videos on growing a business, and there's real value here that's going to help you grow your business. Now, watch this video all the way through to the end, because this system that I've created is going to be a game changer for you as a business owner. So let's jump into this content. Now, what most businesses do wrong, first off, is they create business pages, they create Instagram accounts, Pinterest accounts, Google accounts, whatever it is, and then they, with good intentions, just post stuff selling their products, right? And I want you to think about that for a second, right? You come across a wonderful product page, and all they do is just sell. Now, the problem with that is that's like trying to get married on a first date. And so with marketing, what you've got to do is build a relationship with your prospects before you try and sell them your product and service. And nearly every business gets this wrong. And most businesses, unfortunately, go bankrupt. But the few that do it the right way are going to be the ones that are very, very successful. And that's what I want you to do here as well. And so the first step that you need to do is you need to create some content like this, right? I've got nothing for sale in this video. I've just got some content here to give you some value and to show you a way that you can get leads and sales online. And you need to do that too, right? And so I work with a number of different businesses. I work with an estate agent, for example, and they create content. And in that content, they talk about the property market. What's happening in the market at the moment? Are the houses going up? Are they going down? What stock's doing well? How to sell your house faster? How to get over asking price? They create this wonderful content that gives value to an audience, right? It demonstrates that they're an expert. And at no point in that content do they sell anything at all. That's very, very important, right? I've got a pizza chef that I work with, and he has tutorials on how to make pizza. Even though he sells pizza making courses, he gives this content away to demonstrate he's an expert. And then he makes income selling pizza courses and doing kids parties and various other interesting things like that as well. Now, we also have people like chiropodists, and they talk about like how to solve this ailment or whatever it is, right? The content is the most important key to being successful, because when someone finds you on the internet, they don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. So your job, first off, is to demonstrate you're an expert at what you do by giving value. Secondly, is just to make them know you, like, and trust you, right? And so you do that with value. Now, also, content can be there to demonstrate that they need a product like yours, because maybe they don't know that they need it. I've been working with someone recently that has tills, like EPOS tills that they sell to restaurants and various convenience stores. And those tills actually have variable pricing by time. And so maybe that restaurant could choose to put their price up on a weekend or in the evening. And that till system manages that all for them. Now, because they do that, that is their clients have increased their sales dramatically. Now, I didn't even know that stuff existed, and probably their clients don't either. And so they need to use content to demonstrate that that's a product that's out there. All right, so content's key here. You start with content. Then you need to capture leads, right? So you watch this video because you want to know about lead generation. Well, this is how you get the leads, right? And so to get leads, you give something away of value. An ebook, a guide, a report, get people to opt in for a video that they watch, get them to opt in for a discount voucher. Now, I train you guys on exactly how to do this. I've got a proven 5-step system, and there's more than 20 ways to get leads that we cover, but those are some of the key ones that people take, right? Now, if you want to see how this works in action, I've actually got a lead generation guide in the description of this video. So if you click on that, you can get my free ebook. Nothing for sale again, just pure value in there. It's got my best lead generation strategy. So go and grab that while you're here if you haven't done already, right? So you're going to give something away, and that's how you're going to capture leads, right? Next, you want to get some people that spend money with you, right? You need to get a customer. And various businesses are different. Some of our clients will suggest that you sell something cheap. I do that. So I have a book on lead generation, which you're probably going to want to grab here while you're here today, called Expert Mastery. Again, you can grab a free copy of this, a real book, in the description below. So I would grab that if I was a business owner and you're really serious about this. Or another way that we get clients for a lot of businesses is get people to book an appointment at this stage. So I want people to book in to speak to you. I don't want you chasing people, cold calling people. I want people to physically book in to speak to you via the phone. And they can book that online. And so there's not like a two-way communication here. They just book into your diary using software, which we help you implement. You can get that for nothing. It doesn't cost any money. And so then you become appointment only, right? And that's important. So you either book people to have a Zoom call with you, or book that you go out on a physical visit and demonstrate your product at that stage. Then the fourth step is that you offer your core product or service on that meeting or on that call, right? And most people, they're doing this too quickly, right? Most people, as I said, you're trying to get married on the first date, so you're doing this straight away, where it's actually the fourth step here, right? And so this is really, really, really important, that you take time before you offer your product and service. You only really get one shot to do this, because otherwise you're going to be chasing people. People can make a decision if they want to work with you on the first time they meet you. So how about building a relationship before you even get to the stage where you offer your product and service? If you do this, some businesses convert as high as 100% into clients. Some businesses, it's as low as 50%. 50% is way higher than normal though, right? Way higher than normal. So that's really, 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 really important. And the last step is to continue to sell to people, right? Nearly every business owner that I've worked with over the last 15 years in business, all they focus on is getting new customers, right? I need to get new leads. I need to get new leads. How many leads have we got this week or month or year? Well, actually, you'd make more money and serve your clients better if you had more products and services that you could offer to your existing clients. We work with a homeopathist, and she added a retreat into her business, and people were queuing up to pay her £1,000 for a weekend to get like detox and relax and stuff like that. And that's what she wanted to do, right? She was tired of just doing the one-to-one work, and she added that in, and it absolutely was a game changer for her business. And so you can add other products and services in there. And I am well class at doing that with you guys. And so the book will help you work out what that can be. But also, we've got a free training how you can do that. So at the end of the video, there's going to be a video over here somewhere. And do go and check that out, right? And that video, it's another YouTube video, will share with you my proven 5-step system. I'll go into way more detail on all of this stuff on getting leads. And again, nothing for sale. All I want to do right now at this point is just build a relationship with you, show you how you can do this internet marketing stuff, and then maybe in the future we'll work together, maybe not, who knows. But the fact is, I want to get you set up the right way. Now, if you found this useful so far, I've got some more to go through with you, but if you found this useful so far, do smash that like button. That really helps me with YouTube algorithm. And do comment below. Let me know what your business idea is, who you are, or what your existing business is. I really want to get to know the people on my channel. So do comment below. I personally reply to every single comment on this channel. So go and do that right now. And lastly, look, as I said, I've written a book on lead generation and how to be the expert in your market. And I want to gift this to you right now. And so Expert Mastery is going to show you this 5-step solution. in more detail. It's going to give you real world examples, and I want to give you a free copy of Expert Mastery right now. So in the description of this video is a link where you can grab your copy of Expert Mastery. Now, how's it work? I'm going to pay for the book. You're going to pay for the shipping. It's a couple of pounds, guys, right? A couple of pounds. I'd lose money on every transaction. And again, why am I doing that? I'm doing that because I want to build a relationship with you. I want to show you how you can grow your business. So if you found this useful, do make sure you check out this next video that's going to come up here. Do give me a subscribe and hit the notification button. Comment, like, and let's get to know each other that little bit better. I'm James Nicholson. I hope you found that useful. I'll see you guys very soon. Go and check out that video now. Bye for now.